Hello friend. So in the last video we talked about how to implement the equitable protocol and the hashball, right? So in this video let's play with another very important collection data type, dictionary. And we'll show why do we need that? How can we use it in this simple, right, game project? And let's go there to create our test target text unit test bundle here. Unit text iOS, is there a unit test? Yeah, unit test bundle. Okay, it's called by default. Let's remove the board thing. C chess tests. Yeah, and finish. Okay, so C chess test. Actually, we don't need that, so delete that. Just press delete key and move to trash. Okay, now let's create one new file, unit test case class. Okay, so we'll play with dictionary. Dictionary tests. Enter again. Create the bridging header. Don't create. This is for like to mix the Swift programming language and the old Objective-C programming language, two of them together. So we need, if we use both of them, we need a bridging header. But no, we only use Swift programming language here, so don't create. Yeah, so we don't need those placeholder thing, because it's easy to create a test method here, test method like that. So we'll test. Let's use our dictionary. What kind of dictionary? That's okay. Int dictionary. Okay, so let's create one. There's two ways to create our, let's use the first way. Okay, so let key int value int. So data type dictionary. So there's a key type and a value type here, like that, and equals dictionary and int. Can we do this? That's okay. So if it's let, then we cannot modify it. It's empty. So let's use one. Okay. So now key. Okay, so this one. Okay, I forgot how to the syntax to insert is like that, like 3 equals, for example, let's map to, okay, let's map to its cube. Okay, so 3 cube. Oh, I don't think it's, does this let's run it here. Oh, in my memory, this syntax wasn't supported by Swift, but now it's supported. Cool. Okay, so it means dictionary, right? It's like mapping from the key to the value. So it means now we can print out the something like that. So key equals 3, value equals the value of the dictionary, right? So let's get out the key. This is a dictionary sub. No, it's not sub. Let's get out, right? Using the key to retrieve the value, it should be 27. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh, yeah. So never mind. So this one is something else. It's not. I think this might be. Is it like XOR? Like bitwise XOR. Let's Google it. So, oh. Let's make it so Swift, this operator, what is that? Logical operate caret a special, okay, caret operator, advanced operator. Okay, so what does that do? Okay, here, yeah, command click will bring up another tab. So what is that? It's not to the power. In, yeah, as in most languages, the character is the bitwise XOR. Yeah, XOR. So I'm right. So yeah, we'll play with that later. But today we want to use the to the third power. Okay, so how to do that? Swift power operator. It's not a caret. So it's called exponentiation operator. Exponentiation operator. Okay, yes, it's power, number power. Yeah, so it's a function called pow. Double. Wow. Okay, so let's put 3 here and 3 there. Now it will be what? Cannot assign value of that. Oh, yeah, let's fix that because the type of that is not double, is int. Yeah, not too bad. So now let's run. What? Ambiguous use of pow. Oh, what about this one? Oh no. Now I'm confused. I am confused. What is that? int. What if we put a dot zero here? Is that okay? Finally, yeah, 27. Optional means it, yeah, because it, when we retrieve, right, the value based on the key 3, it might fail. It might fail. For example, if we put a 4 here, right, there's no such thing here. We only have key 3. So if we do that, it will be nil. Yeah, value is nil. Okay. So we can add more, right? So let's put this back. 3 here, and we can add another, right, key. Oh, for example, 13 map to 13th cube, right? Wow, that's a big number. So what is that? Key is 13, value is, let's try it. This number, 2197. Let's use xct assert, okay? Xct assert equal like 27. Can we do that? Oh, I think so. Because it's integer, so we can compare that. And let's run it. Yeah, it works. Okay, so that xct assert equal, the number is 2197, and the key this is our dictionary, and here is our key, right? 13. Now we don't need that. We use the xct assert. So this, yeah, this is the key 3 and 13, right? That is the corresponding values. Run it. Oh, no. I click the command R. I should press command U, right, to run all the test cases. Yeah, passed. So we'll continue in our next video to play with the, to show how, yeah, to continue introducing our dictionary. Thank you for watching. See you next time.